Welcome to my channel, friends. My name is Aura, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw an easy lion's face step by step. Begin with drawing a circle, then divide this into roughly 3 equal vertical sections by drawing a line with a pencil. Then draw a line through the center horizontally. Continue the vertical lines down below the bottom of the circle to create a long rectangle. The section below the bottom of the circle will be about the same size as the section within the circle. Now draw a line just above the middle horizontal line and mark the center of this line between the outer circle and the first vertical line, and do the same on the other side. In between, draw a small circle on both sides, the same size and as symmetrical as possible. Now on the bottom of the circle, draw an upside-down triangle to place the nose, a short line below, and 2 curved lines for the lips. The chin will fit between these 2 lines and will dip just below the bottom of the rectangle. Draw the outer muzzle by curving it up and making a very slight S shape toward the inner corner of the eye. Do the same on the other side. To draw the nostrils, make a little curvy shape that extends up and out, as you can see here, and back down on the inside of the triangle. Draw the shape of the head around the original circle, beginning near the bottom of the nose on the side of the muzzle, and give him a widow's peak shape at the top of his forehead. To draw the eyes, begin with a curved shape over the top to the vertical center mark you made earlier, and slightly tilt it up on the outside of the circle. The bottom line will be shaped around the bottom of the circle, as you can see here. Follow the pencil lines on the other side to help make the eyes as symmetrical as possible, and draw a smaller circle within the circle for the pupil. Just below the nose, draw little dots for the whisker area on each side. Detail the nose with these little curved lines and begin adding the fur lines around the face for the mane. Draw these curved lines around the eyes for more detail. This area below the nose cleft will be his lips and will be filled in with black later. Now draw the basic mane shape you wish. In this case, I am making an oval shape that comes to a taper on the bottom. For a more dimensional look, do a 2-layered mane. Give him shorter fur just around the face, and draw his ears, which are just 2 half circles. Line them up with the eyes to make sure they are even on either side. Then draw the longer hair behind. Try not to make it too exact, and add some variety within the hair clumps so it looks more relaxed and natural. Now for the fun part, outlining the lion with ink. I am using a Pigma Micron pen, but you can use what you wish. I'm starting with the eyes, filling them in with black everywhere except for the iris and the highlight in the pupil. Once the ink is dry, I erase the pencil lines to see if I need to make any adjustments to the eyes. I will continue outlining the pencil lines. Then I will show you the final step that will make your drawing a little more interesting and eye-catching. Once every line is inked, you can erase all your guidelines. For the final step, I'm using a thicker black marker to outline certain areas, including the ears and parts of the mane. This makes the drawing more dynamic than just having one line thickness throughout. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more drawing and painting tutorials, please consider subscribing to my channel. I release a new art video every week, so be sure to click on your notification bell to find out whenever a new video is released. Have fun, and I will see you next time.